Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to use Canva to blend an image to a background, right? And here in this video now I have this magazine cover that I've designed with Canva, right? And Canva has not been able to build an inbuilt tools that we can use to blend our pictures or a background to background or a pictures to a background. So we are going to use a third-party app. Canva allows us to use a third-party apps to do our design. So in this third-party app we are going to use a tool called Blender, or a app called Blender. So let's navigate to Canva app here. This is it. Before then, make sure you select your pictures. You click on this app like this. When you click on this app like this, you are to wait for it to pop up right like this. So what we are going to search for now is image, right? Image Blender. Image Blender is what we are searching for. This is it. Just click this Image Blender like this, and when you click it, it will bring several options for you, but the particular one we are picking should be this one. This is the first one we are picking, Image Blender. I think this also work, but the one I'm used to is this particular one. So when you click it like this, then they have two options. They have the pro version and they have the free version, which is the fade and the blend. So we are using the fade, which is the free version. So when you click it like this, then they have three options too. They have radial, they have brush, they have linear. So we are using the linear because we want to blend the edge and not the entire image, right? So having clicked linear, we have to wait for it to respond like this, right? This is it. So it's still processing. Okay, finally. So this is it. You can adjust it like this, right? You can adjust it like this. Then you can use this strengths to navigate it, to control it. Do you want it to be just by the edge like this? So you can just adjust it like this. Then you click save, right? Let's wait for it. It's still processing, right? This is it. So you can see now it's still processing though. You can see now we have able to blend this picture right into the background. So let's also blend an image into a background, just like this image here. We're going to also blend this so that we know how to adopt different options. So go back again and click fade and use linear. So when you click it, you wait for it to respond. Please, if you find this video interesting, kindly help me to click the subscribe button and also like the video, please. See now you can equally adjust it like this and also adjust it like this, you see. And after that you click save, right? So it's still processing, right? Wow, 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 wow. This is it. This is how to how to blend a background to a picture or a picture to a background using Canva. So thanks for watching, and help to subscribe and also click the like button if you like the video. Thank you so much.